Hello, and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to create a massive war. So, battles are going to be won really at instant. Okay? Because we've put two civilizations here, human and dwarves, on the bottom half here. And we're going to give the other part the stronger trait to make them really strong, while we're going to make the other civilizations really weak. And let's try to see if how much of an impact that gets to our empires. Okay, if that really does determine the winner of this glorious game of combat. It's just dwarven fly. What is that? Okay. Let's put empire. Dwarven empire. Here we go. Let's check out their civilizations first. So, this is the main city of the dwarven population. Here's the borders that they share with the humans. And I am the almighty God watching the glorious battle that is about to unfold. So let's give these guys good traits. Immune. Yeah, that's it. Let's make these half of the civilization here strong. Okay? Let's make them all strong. Let's see how much this is an impact in the battles. While, on the other hand, we're going to make the other half, the dwarven population, really weak. But if you watch on the almanac on the Discord server about world boxes, that dwarves are usually shorter than their human predecessors. So, does that make them any weak? I don't know. It just make them infertile, weak, bad traits. Let's make them a lot more tinier. I don't know if that's how rude I was. This is so rude, right? Making tiny civilization even more tinier. Okay? Let's make them stupid. just to make this fun, guys. Let's sprinkle all the traits here. Now, the ones on the borders that they've shared with here probably are gonna get hit with these traits, but that's fine as long as they have a strong trait. Okay. Yeah, these are the traits here. If you guys haven't noticed, I've already accomplished quite some traits because I've been playing this game for a while now. And yeah, we'll be giving them more traits here. Just make them really strong for the moment. And these are the cities. The dwarven population has 2 cities under its command, 2 provinces. Let's see if the numbers outweigh the negative effects that the traits have given them. The number superiority, you probably outnumber the humans 2-1. It's time to go to war. This is war. So I made humans made war to the dwarven population. I'm a little bit hyped because I'm drinking coffee as I'm narrating these videos, as I'm playing it right now. Here goes the battles. Boom. It's going to be a battle royale here. The infantries are now charging. The cavalry is now charging the static infantry of the dwarves here, and their archers, aka artilleries, are now bombarding them with weapons of havoc. And I'm trying my best to like hype this game up even more, which doesn't really need much of a hyping, because it's a really fun game. I've been playing this for years now. I'm not kidding. Like, come on, Maxim Karpenko, where is the update? A lot of us in the Worldbox community have now been waiting for the update that you promised that was going to be this January. And last January. So what happened now? I don't know. Some of the he's Russian, by the way, so a lot of the communities, a lot of people, the communities are actually worried about the creator of this game, because, you know, as you all know, the state of Russia is on war against Ukraine, and he probably got drafted. So there's this misconception that a lot of players of this game thought that Karpenko, the creator, has been drafted to fight in Ukraine, but that's really not the case. He made an update like a couple of weeks ago that he's fine, and he's making adjustments in the game, his team is fine, and they say the update's going to be real soon. Come on, what's happening to the game here? And yeah, the community is so large worldwide. I've found Latin Americans playing the game. Oh man, look at that. Americans playing the game, a lot of players. Asian, look at that. They've just obliterated each battles really quickly, sliced through the borders here like butter. They're conquering the capital now, and there's really not much thing the king here could do besides to accept his fate that he is going to, you know, probably be taken prisoners. But unfortunately in Worldbox, there's no such thing, at least for the moment. Taking prisoners, nope. You're going to be slain by your enemies here in Worldbox. That's how brutal this game is. If you gave these simulants their free will, they just go berserk, you know. But if you turn it off, they're just like docile creatures. So you playing God is not actually a bad thing if you are a benevolent one. Give them blessings and a lot of stuff. But if you're an evil one, give them free will or destroy their world completely without free will. Okay, but there's also times where simulants don't go to war with each other, and that's cool. Anyways, that's it for the video, guys. So our top is the winner here, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day.